Air travel in 2025 is faster and more high-tech than ever. But that also means more rules, tighter systems, and zero room for error. Shockingly, a growing number of travelers are being denied boarding, not just because of overbooked flights, but for reasons many never saw coming, like biometric mismatches, digital visa errors, and even outdated health apps. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler, understanding these evolving pitfalls is crucial. We reveal 15 surprising reasons why more passengers are being grounded in 2025 and how to make sure you're not one of them. Today, we will talk about 10 reasons more travelers than ever are denied boarding in 2025. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. First, digital travel authorization errors. Many countries in 2025 have fully replaced traditional visas with e-visa systems or digital travel authorizations. Unfortunately, travelers are often denied boarding for not having proper digital approvals, entering incorrect details during the application, or letting the authorization expire. Airlines must check these documents before check-in, and any mismatch, like a misspelled name or wrong passport number, will automatically result in denial at the gate. Second, passport validity requirements. A growing number of countries now require that your passport be valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel date, even for short trips. Many travelers are unaware of this, especially if they're flying to countries with visa-free arrangements. In 2025, automated border control systems flag passports nearing expiration instantly, and airlines will not allow you to board if your passport doesn't meet the validity requirement, even if your destination is lenient. Third, health and vaccination documentation. While COVID-19 no longer dominates travel like it did in 2020 to 2022, health-based entry restrictions remain in place for many destinations due to global outbreaks of diseases like yellow fever, dengue, or new flu variants. Some countries require digital proof of vaccination or a recent negative test result, and failure to present these documents can lead to being denied boarding. Additionally, many travelers now must complete a digital health declaration or install a country-specific app before flying. 4. Failure to complete advanced passenger information. Most countries now mandate that travelers submit detailed information before travel, known as advanced passenger information, which includes full names, addresses, passport numbers, and even travel history. Some passengers are denied boarding simply because they failed to submit these details in advance or made a mistake while doing so. In 2025, many airlines automate this step, but errors still occur, especially when third-party booking sites are used. 5. Mismatch between ticket name and ID. It sounds basic, but it's one of the most common causes of boarding denial: the name on your airline. Ticket must exactly match your ID or passport. 6th, biometric screening. Mismatches. With facial recognition and biometric check-in systems now in widespread use, passengers who fail to match the digital data stored in immigration databases or airline systems may be flagged as a security risk and denied boarding. 7. Overbooked flights and no seat assignment. Airlines still overbook flights, anticipating no-shows. However, if everyone does show up, those without pre-assigned seats or those who check in late are often the first to be bumped, even if they've paid in full. 8. Unpaid travel taxes or fees. Some countries or airports now impose departure fees or tourism taxes that must be paid before leaving or even before check-in, if these are unpaid, especially in destinations with digital exit tracking systems. Travelers may be blocked from boarding. These taxes are often buried in fine print during booking and not always collected by airlines, leading to confusion at departure gates. 9. Baggage or weight violations. Increased enforcement of baggage restrictions in 2025 has resulted in more passengers being denied boarding due to overweight carry-ons or excessive checked bags. Some airlines now tie weight limits to ticket class. And if your bag is too heavy, they may not offer a pay-at-gate solution. Instead, passengers are forced to leave the flight or miss boarding while trying to remove items. Several major changes have made baggage violations a bigger risk than ever. First-class-based weight limits are enforced rigidly. Many budget and even full-service airlines now tie baggage allowances directly to ticket class, especially for carry-ons. Basic economy, 7 kilograms, 15 pounds, max, often one personal item only. Standard economy, 10 to 12 kilograms, 22 to 26 pounds. Premium, up to 14 kilograms or more. Exceeding these by even 1 to 2 kilograms can result in denied boarding, not just a fee. 2. Fewer gate check options. Some airlines, particularly in Asia and Europe, no longer allow gate-checked bags for oversized or overweight items unless pre-approved. Security and boarding times are too tight for passengers to remove items on the spot. Third, automated weighing and smart gates. New smart bag drop stations automatically weigh and measure your luggage. There's no human discretion. At boarding gates, mobile scales are now used randomly to weigh carry-ons. If you're over, even slightly, you may be sent back to the check-in counter, which likely means missing final boarding. 4. No more grace for international layovers. On international itineraries with multiple airline partners, baggage rules don't always match. Travelers booked through one airline, e.g. Emirates, may be connecting on another, e.g. Fly Dubai or Jetstar, with a tighter baggage policy. If you didn't recheck or adjust your baggage for the connecting airline, you may be denied boarding at the transfer gate. Real-world examples in 2025. A traveler flying Ryanair with a 10-kilogram carry-on is denied boarding because their bag weighed 12.5 kilograms. They had no option to check the bag at the gate, and the next available flight was 8 hours later. A family flying budget class to Bangkok had 3 overweight checked bags. The airline refused all 3 at the airport unless the weight was redistributed or fees were paid in advance. Unable to resolve in time, they missed the flight. A connecting passenger on a code share route, Delta plus LATAM, brought a standard U.S. legal carry-on. LATAM denied boarding on the connecting leg due to stricter regional limits. 10th, AI-based behavior scoring. This may sound like science fiction, but AI-driven profiling now plays a larger role in security and boarding decisions. Some airports utilize predictive systems that analyze passenger behavior, booking patterns, and travel history to flag risky profiles. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.